Hi friends, in this session we'll start with ionization constant for weak acid, that is Ka का डेरिवेशन चेक करने वाले हैं. इसके बाद Kb, आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर, ये सारी चीज हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं. तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं वीक एसिड डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड इज Ka के बारे में. So here in case HX is a weak acid, when put it into this water, the species who releases H plus, that is called as acid, H3O plus and X minus. So initial concentration when T is equal to 0, at that time reactant concentration is 1, there is no product formed, so that's why there is a dash and dash. After some time, alpha is the amount of species undergo dissociation. So 1 minus alpha, alpha and alpha. So let alpha be the extent of ionization charge. So initial concentration 1 था, तब product form नहीं हुआ था, तो that's why it's dash dash. After some time, or let's take example after t time, 1 में से alpha is the amount of species undergoes dissociation, तो 1 में से alpha गया तो alpha and alpha. Now at equilibrium concentration C, अगर equilibrium पे concentration C है तो C into 1 minus alpha, C alpha, C alpha. So this is all about your introductory part. This is really very important one. Once again, HX is a weak acid. When put it into this water, you get H3O plus plus X minus. When reaction start, when T is equal to 0, that reactant concentration is 1, product is dash and dash. After some time, alpha is the amount of species undergoes dissociation, you get alpha and alpha. Let alpha be the extent of ionization, so that's why it's a C into 1 minus alpha, C alpha and C alpha. So C is the initial concentration of undissociated acid, that is called as X, when T is equal to 0. Now equilibrium constant K. Equilibrium constant K is nothing but the product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. So reaction के अंदर product पे क्या था, H3O plus into X minus, reactant side पे क्या था, HX and H2O. So product concentration divided by reactant concentration is nothing but equilibrium constant. Once again, equilibrium constant K is nothing but product concentration divided by reactant concentration. So this H2O goes to this side, so K into H2 is nothing but Ka, that is weak acid dissociation constant. So K into H2 is nothing but H3O plus X minus divided by HX. So what actually means by K into H2O? K into H2O is nothing but Ka. Ka is nothing but weak acid dissociation constant. This is C alpha and C alpha. सर ये C alpha and C alpha कहाँ से आया? So अभी हमने ऊपर एग्जाम्पल पे डिस्कशन किया था कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. देखिए C alpha किसका है? H3O plus का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, ये C alpha H plus का, एंड HX का कितना है? C into 1 minus alpha. So the same point or same phenomenon occur over here. K is equal to C alpha into C alpha divided by C into 1 minus alpha. So C cancel out. What is left in this side? C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha, where Ka is dissociation constant or ionization constant. For a dilute solution, 1 minus alpha is approximately 1. 1 minus alpha is approximately 1. It's just like you have 10 lakh rupee and 1 rupee fall down. It does not make major difference. So 1 minus alpha is approximately 1. So now this equation turns Ka is equal to C alpha square divided by 1. So that is Ka is equal to C alpha square. So alpha is equal to under root Ka by C. At Ka से Pka भी ढूंढ सकते हैं. Pka is nothing but minus log of Ka. So that is nothing but pKa. Fine. So this is all about your weak acid dissociation constant. ये formula याद रखिएगा, numerical में काम में आएगा. Ka is equal to C alpha square. Alpha is equal to under root Ka by C. Same to same, ditto to ditto base के लिए हमें discussion करना है. So let's start with the weak base dissociation constant. अब बहुत सारी चीज रिपीट नहीं करूंगा, ऑलमोस्ट सेम डिटो टू डिटो जा रहे हैं. MOH when dissociate you get M plus plus OH minus. Initial is 1. At that time product concentration is dash dash. After some time or after T time, alpha is the amount of species undergoes dissociation. So 1 minus alpha, alpha and alpha. At C concentration, C into 1 minus alpha, C alpha and C alpha. So what actually means by KB? KB क्यों आया? क्योंकि बेस के लिए डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. वीक बेस डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट M plus plus OH minus divided by MOH, that is KB. M plus का concentration क्या है? C alpha. OH minus का C alpha. MOH का C into 1 minus alpha. So you almost get the same derivation just like Ka. So Kb is equal to C alpha into C alpha divided by C into 1 minus alpha. C cancel out, C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. So Kb is equal to weak base dissociation constant. For a dilute solution, 1 minus alpha is approximately 1. So Kb is equal to C alpha square. Alpha is equal to under root Kb by C. Just like Ka की तरह वहाँ पे Ka by C था, यहाँ पे Kb by C. Just because we are discussing a weak base, Pkb is equal to minus log of Kb. Perfect. So this is all about your Ka and Kb. Third derivation, that is ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. So when H2O react with H2O, you get H3O plus plus OH minus. So out of this two H2O, one behaves as acid, another behaves as a base. The species releases H plus, that's why it is known as acid. The species who gain H plus, that's why it's a base. So H2O is nothing but made up by H plus plus OH minus. तो यहाँ से एक H plus यहाँ पे चला गया. So now this becomes H3O plus and this becomes OH minus. So acid में से बना conjugated base, base में से बना conjugated acid. So this behaves as acid, this behaves as a base. So K is nothing but product concentration divided by the reactant concentration, that is called equilibrium constant. H3O plus into OH minus divided by H2O into H2O. Now this 2H2O goes to on right hand side. Ka into H2O square is nothing but Kw. Kw means ionic product of water. Ionic product of water is nothing but H3O plus into OH minus. Now experimentally, H plus concentration at 25 degrees Celsius is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7, while in case of OH minus concentration is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7. So now put these two values, that is H plus and OH minus, in above equation, that is Kw is equal to H3O plus into OH minus. So Kw is equal to H3O plus into OH minus. H3O plus concentration is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7. OH minus is nothing but 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7. So finally what we have Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 14. So this is known as ionic product of water. One marker question में पूछा जा सकता है, what is the value of ionic product of water? That is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 14. So यहाँ से आपको एसिड बेस का कंसेप्ट भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. किस हिसाब से? देखिए, if concentration of H3O plus is more as compared to OH minus, so that is called acidic solution. If the concentration of H3O plus is equal to concentration of OH minus, that is called is neutral solution. दोनों सेम है इसीलिए. और H3O plus concentration से OH minus का concentration ज़्यादा है, तो that is entitled as basic solution. So यहाँ से आपको acid base characteristics भी पता चल जाएगा. So next point, relationship between Ka and Kb. So Ka इंडिविजुअली हमने डिराइव किया, Kb भी डिराइव किया, तो इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ रिलेशनशिप है कि नहीं है वो डिस्कशन करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल से स्टार्ट किया है. NH4 plus plus H2O, H3O plus plus ammonia. Here in case 1H is released, get by H2O, H3O plus ammonia. So Ka is nothing but product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. That is your equation number 1. NH3 plus H2O, equilibrium NH4 plus plus OH minus. So Kb is equal to product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. So NH4 plus OH minus divided by ammonia, that is 2. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 1, 2, that is Ka and Kb. और अभी रिसेंटली हमने डिस्कस किया आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर. What actually means by ionic product of water? So H2O, when treated with H2O, you get H3O plus plus OH minus. So Kw is nothing but H3O plus into OH minus. That is your equation number 3. So now main question, Ka and Kb के बीच में relationship. So now Ka cross Kb, Ka cross Kb. So what we have? Ka क्रॉस Kb, तो Ka की वैल्यू थी राइट साइड पे H3O प्लस इंटू अमोनिया डिवाइड बाय NH4 प्लस मल्टीप्लाई बाय क्रॉस Kb NH4 प्लस OH माइनस डिवाइडेड बाय अमोनिया. सो कॉमन पॉइंट कैंसिल आउट, अमोनिया कैंसिल, NH4 कैंसिल. What is left in this side? H3O plus into OH minus. So Ka cross Kb is nothing but H3O plus into OH minus. But अभी हमने प्रूफ किया कि Kw is nothing but H3O plus into OH minus. तो can we write H3O plus and OH की जगह पे हम लिख सकते हैं Kw? Yes. So our final derivation Ka cross Kb is nothing but Kw. So does any relationship between K and Kb? Yes. K Kb का relationship क्या है? Ka cross Kb is nothing but Kw, that is ionic product of water. So in this session we'll discuss 3 most important derivation, or rather than 4 most important derivation: simple Ka, Kb, Kw, and last and final Ka Kb relationship, means prove that Ka cross Kb is equal to Kw. So this is all about your today's session. Next session में हम start करेंगे pH range and buffer solutions. Thank you.